Hey guys, it's Roblox time here with Cat Cam episode 2. This is the little kitty, Mittens. We're just gonna look at her. Really, we found her here at our house. Now there will be Dog Cam episode 1, 2, 3, and Hedgehog Cam episode 1 because we only have one, and we might just do more episodes of that, but yeah. Look at the little kitty. Oh, isn't the little kitty cute? We call her Mittens because look at her feet. I don't know what we don't know what her actual name is, so we just call her Mittens. Her name is Mittens, according to me. Mittens, come here. Good girl. See, the cat's pretty sweet. She sometimes acts like a lion. But yeah, basically that. She's just climbing today. I don't know what. She's more active than Ginger. Now, I know I just did Cat Cam episode 1 about 20 minutes ago when I'm recording this, but right now, meh. This little kitty likes to wag a little tail. But yeah. Might even just be a 2-minute episode. Anywho, yeah. You might have to deal with the glare a bit, but you can still see the little black kitty. There you go, little kitty. Come on. There you go. Now, she does like her tail to be petted. They're back, but that's all for today on Cat Cam episode 2. So, yeah.